Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by physically connecting the cable and verifying basics. Plug a Cat5e or Cat6 from your router or switch into your PC's Ethernet jack, then check the port LED for a steady or blinking link. Once done, disable Wi-Fi so Windows prioritizes the wired interface for testing. This reveals if DHCP or static addressing will be used. Make sure the router's LAN port is active. If there's no link light, try another cable or port to isolate the hardware quickly. Now configure Windows 11 to get online. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then choose Ethernet to view your adapter. If using DHCP, confirm IP4 shows an assigned IP. If static, click Edit and enter IP address, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS values. Once set, check advanced properties for DNS suffix, MTU, or VLAN tags if your network requires them. Make sure the adapter is enabled and the link speed matches expectations. Mismatches can slow or block traffic. Finish by verifying connectivity and handling common faults. Open Command Prompt, run ipconfig/all to confirm your IP and gateway, then ping the gateway and a public IP to test reachability. This tells you if DNS or routing is failing. If problems persist, restart the Ethernet adapter or use the Windows Network Troubleshooter. Make sure your network adapter driver is current in Device Manager. Update or roll back drivers when connections drop. One key tip: swap cables and ports first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.